All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. Today we have some news on the LFA coming back. Let's get to that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric. We're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
Hey, if anybody remembers the LFA, everyone was caught off guard when Lexus years ago teamed up with Yamaha and built the best sounding engine ever made. I said it, the best sounding engine ever made in a production car. Absolutely. Man, that thing was just so good. I remember the commercials. I remember it going around tracks. It's just a fantastic V10. Well, the LFA is back. The V10 is not. Long gone is the V10. Now we bring in the twin turbo V8, 4 liters. We add a few batteries, we add some electric motors, and somehow we get up to 940 horsepower. Does that sound familiar? Maybe, a 918 Spider from Porsche a few years ago, the LaFerrari, some of that kind of setup. Seems to be a similar kind of build coming out of Lexus here. I'll be curious to see what it sounds like. I know it cannot match that naturally aspirated V10, but it will still be amazing, especially with these kind of specs. Are you guys interested, or you guys want to buy the old LFA? Good luck trying to find one. I just looked recently. The cheapest one I found online was like $700,000, and I don't have them in my bank account. So hopefully this new LFA was at least as cheap as the previous one, 300 and some odd $1,000. Still out of my budget, but cool car nonetheless. What do you guys think of this news? I'm excited for Lexus to bring in something fun. I've also heard rumors that they might make their own variation of the GR86, but with a little bit of, Lexus panache thrown in there for luxury, which would be pretty cool if they did that. So what do you guys think of these two rumors? Leave your comments down below. Thank you for watching. My name's Eric. Have a good one.